Hey everyone, it's John here. So I just picked up these photochromic sunglasses on Amazon, and I had to share them with you. Basically, they turn into sunglasses when you're out in the sun. Super cool, right? The packaging is really nice too. Let's unbox them together. First thing, there's a sleek glasses case. It feels like real leather and has a nice texture. Super easy to toss in the glove compartment or center console. And it'll keep my shades safe from scratches. I went with the photochromic version, so when there's no sunlight or UV, the lenses are clear like this. The frame itself is super lightweight. Honestly, I barely feel them when I put them on. The temples are made of TR9O material, so they're flexible, lightweight, and fit pretty much any head shape comfortably. Inside the car, since the windows block most UV rays, the lenses stay clear, no color change here. Along with the case, there's also an ANRRI microfiber cloth, super handy. And they even threw in some anti-slip accessories. Might come in clutch if I'm ever working out or running around with these on. Now, let's check out how they react to sunlight. Soon as I step outside where the UV hits, they start turning gray. Pretty quickly too. I covered one lens with the ANRRI cloth just to show you. When I uncovered it, it was clear. And within seconds, it started darkening. Perfect for bright sunny days when you're squinting non-stop. But once I put these on, everything's crisp and clear again. This is what the ANRRI photochromic sunglasses look like in action. Not too dark, just a nice gray tint. Honestly, I'm loving my new shades. Hope you guys enjoyed it.